Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use the whiteboard in Zoom. Yes, whiteboard in Zoom. First thing you wanted to go, you want to come right here to open Zoom, or you can come right in the taskbar and click like that. Right? I'm going to click on New Meeting because what you want to look at is the whiteboard definitely. Alright? By looking at the whiteboard, how we can do that. Right? So the first thing that we wanted to do to look at the whiteboard, we're going to come right here where it says share. So we're going to click on the word share. When I click on the word share, this itself is a whiteboard, right? So you're going to click on the whiteboard, and then you're going to come to your right, where you see the word share, and click on the word share. Right? When the word share comes, tell the widen it up. There you go. You notice it presents you with a pencil, which I can actually write like that, Here, sure, they can select cursor. Here, sure, they can actually select a text and put it right here. Notice you can actually say greeting right inside here. Right, and if you notice this, now you can actually do a little drawing right here, just like that. You can actually move it up and down. You can come like this, but in and out with it, very important. You can also use all this stamp now. Use all this one now. Notice, just like that. Put it all over the place. You can actually use the stamp. Alright, you can actually come here, this stuff like, you can come right here. Notice, and this one put go right here. You can actually like that. Give an example with that arrow. Alright, so come right here now, the format. Now you notice it give you the color. Now let's go back again now. Alright, so notice for this one, it change it up again. And this itself now you can actually use to erase off everything here. And use it to erase off everything just the same. You can use this right here to undo, redo. Alright, and if I draw back something here, let me get something to draw. Alright, notice I have a arrow like that right there. I have the next one like that, pointing on that direction. Alright, let me see for the text, whatever. And if I want it to clear, I can come right here to clear all drawings. So click like that, everything. And so very important. I can come right here, I can actually save it and send it to somebody. You can click right here. You can actually stop it when I finish. You can just come right here and just press stop sharing. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share it.